If you're running a marathon this weekend, here are 4 things you should focus on during race week. Unang-una dyan, don't try to gain fitness anymore. The hard work is already done. Ang goal mo ngayon is to arrive at the starting line fresh and healthy. Second is to trust your training. Maraming runners nagpapanik talaga because during race week they feel slower or less fit. Tingin nila hindi nila may hit yung kanilang target pace. Pero that's normal eh. Kasi during race week and taper period, talagang we run less and we recover more. Normal lang na ma-feel mo na parang hindi mo kayang i-achieve ang race pace mo or yung goal mo sa race day. Ako, I've done a lot of marathon, no? Actually, this weekend will be my 10th pasampung marathon ko na, and always ganyan yung pakiramdam, and normal lang talaga na ma-feel mo na parang ang bagal mo, hindi ka ready for the marathon. So hindi ka nag-iisa. Third is to prioritize sleep, nutrition, and hydration. Mas makakatulong sa'yo yan kaysa tumakbo ka ng extra mile this week. And finally, have a race strategy. Yan yung pang-apat. Alamin mo yung target pace mo, your fueling strategy, and most importantly, don't start too fast. Kasi yan talaga yung common mistake, no? Lalo na sa mga first timers, they will start too fast and hindi pala nila kayang sustain hanggang sa end of the marathon. Sabi nga nila, yung kalahati daw ng marathon is yung 32 kilometers kasi dun talaga yung pinakamahirap na portion or na part. Kasi yung last 10 kilometers talaga, that's when the real challenge begins. So good luck to all runners, those who will be running this weekend sa Manila Marathon. See you there. We will run sa EDSA. Excited na ba kayo? So let's enjoy the race and see you there.